Hi everyone, it's Ira and welcome to gmailfiend. So for today's video, I'll be showing you how to forever delete your emails that you've once deleted on your inbox that has been moved to your trash. So without further ado, let's get started. Okay, so in order for you to see the trash folder, all you need to do is click more and then click trash. As you can see, here are some of the emails that I have deleted for the past days within the 30 days because all messages that has been in trash for more than 30 days will be automatically deleted. You can also choose to empty your trash now, but in order to delete them forever, for example, I want to choose a few emails. So as you can see, the delete forever icon is already in the upper part of your desktop. So all you need to do is just click this, and as you can see, the 3 conversations has been deleted forever. We hope you learned something from this video. If you like this video, please do hit the subscribe button down below. And also don't forget to check our channel for more videos like this. See you on our next one. Bye!